Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to restart your Roborock Qrevo Plus. If you're interested in this vacuum or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So, restarting is different from resetting. This is not a factory reset or anything like that. This is a simple reboot. So, with the vacuum currently on, we're going to go ahead, we're going to hold down the power button here, just like so.
Turning off.
And we get the voice prompt letting us know that it's turning off. So we're almost all the way there. Maybe you've guessed it by now. Now we have to go ahead and turn the vacuum back on. So we're going to hold it down. The power button lit up right there. It's blinking, and now the system is turning back on. A couple of seconds in, you get that startup chime too to let you know that everything is ready to go. That's it. Super simple to reboot and restart your Roborock Qrevo Plus.